Right, so we started Commercial Excellence Partners because we found an incredible demand in the market for help, advisory work, consulting, education around helping organizations and specifically leaders to build up these customer-centric organizations that they all want to have. The challenge is they just don't know where to start and how to bring this to life in their organizations.
Yes, and frequently organizations as well as the leadership within organizations are on different learning curves. So somebody could be great at building products, or some organizations are fantastic at marketing or selling, but they don't have equalized expertise or equalized strategy focus on all elements of the business. And that's where we can come in to help bring these disparate elements together. So fundamentally, this is the biggest need in the market when it comes to commercial excellence for businesses, and that's where we come in.